Hi student, today we are going to discuss this Edexcel GCSE Further Pure Mathematics 2023 paper 4 PM 101. We have to do question number 5. That that some figure show the graph part of the curve C equation, that curve C. Okay, can see equation y equal square root 2x plus 6. The finite region encloses the curve and the straight line with equation 3y minus x equals 3, rotated x-axis 360 degrees. Use the algebraic integration and exact volume of solid generate the terms of the phi. Okay, I think that for the pure mathematics and GCSE, that support Edexcel syllabus P4 paper including that type sum definitely, and Cambridge paper also including P4 paper, that, and Sri Lankan combined maths paper including that type sum. This is a very important thing. First, you understanding how to do this. This is a practically knowledge is how to do this. I think that's a curve y equal square root 2x plus 6. He needs to that straight line intersect that curve, that finite region rotated x-axis 360. We know actually that shape rotated x-axis means what is the curve? Curve that cylinder come, no? Phi r coordinate. That also curve rotated solid figure come, and curve equation and straight line solid come. I explain how what is the shape like this. First, you can find that curve intersect point. First, we are going to find that curve x-axis intersect point. We know actually that y equal 2x plus 6. We put this y equals 0. Y equals 0 means that x-axis that point comes. So square root 2x plus 6 equals 0. This both sides you take square form, that removing. Then a 2x equal minus 6. X come minus 6 over 2. X equal minus 3. So that curve x-axis intersect minus 3, 0. That's the point. Right. So we are going to find that straight line. Finite region now. Yeah. A straight line that 3y minus x equals 3. Then you put that equation y equals 0. Then you can find the x value. Right. So y equals 0 minus x equals 0. X should be minus 3. Both curve and line only one point intersect. That's an important one. Then you know actually this is a curve equation y equal square root 2x plus 6, and the straight line equation 3y minus x equal 3. That quadratic type equation, your simplification simultaneous type, then you can find that this both intersect point. Okay, so we know actually that 3y minus 6 equal 3, no? Yeah. Then your y subject 3y equal x plus 3. Y equal x plus 3 over 3. Right. So that you substitute that y point, then you build up the quadratic type equation that simultaneous, then you can find the x values 2 points. Okay. Then you can find the y value. That's the method. You know actually standard. Right. So we know that y equal this, that y equal square root 2x plus 6 equal x plus 3 over 3. Right. You understand it. Then your both side takes square form. That you can removing 2x plus 6 equal x plus 3 power of 2 over 9. So cross multiply 9. 2x plus 6 equal that completing square. We know completing square, that first term square 2 times first term second term, and second term power of 2. Like this you can write x power of 2 plus 6x addition 9. So that 18x plus 54 equal x squared plus 6x plus 9. So you can take whole one side, this right hand side, then we can write x squared plus 6x minus 18x, that 9 minus 54 equals 0. So that x squared minus 15x, that 12x, okay? 12x minus 45 equals 0. This are factorized, right? I think 15 times 3, then you can write x minus 15, that x plus 3 equals 0. So, quadratic x minus 15 equals 0, x equal 15 and x equal minus 3. Okay? I think you can understand in that. That quadratic one simplification, x equal 15. X equal minus 3 actually come. And another intersect point, we can draw that line, data point. So that it should be 15. Okay, that 15. So we are going to find that that y value, then y equal, very interesting. That's 2 times 15 plus 6. So y become 36 equals 6. Could you understand that? Okay. So that that coordinate 15 and 6. Okay. Now that, so that general, that the finite region mean like this. So that rotated x-axis 360 degrees. We know any lathe machine set any models manufacture this a rotator, no? Rotator, then you platinum or any arc one, and we can removing anyone. This solid should become that method. Okay, so that we are going to draw that solid figure. Right. Right. We know actually one hemispheres are there, and inside one corner are there. Now finite region mean you can write not hemisphere like this ball shape like hemisphere shape, that not this equal radius, right? That shape curve, that volume subtraction cone volume, finite region should become that key point. Now you separately keep your cool mind and find that one. Okay, so we are going to find first that curve, this sphere like type ball, okay, type volume. How to do this? That volume V1 put V1. We know actually that 5y square dx. Any curve rotated that axis mean that uh, no need to explain in that. I explained it. This is a delta x gauge. This is a y. This is a dx. This is a slide 5y square dx. Right? So that 5y square dx you can integrate minus 3 to 15. Minus 3 to 15. Right. So V1 equal 5. That minus 3, 15. Y squared means this is square, is a square root, remove it, 2x plus 6. 2x plus 6 dx. So that integrate V1 come 5, yeah, okay. So that integrate 2x squared over 2 plus 6 that 15 to minus 3. So that come 5. So substitute 15 squared. I think this should be 225. Okay? Yeah, 225. Yeah. And that addition 6 times 15, 90. I think. Yeah, 90. And minus, I think minus 3 squared means 9. Right. And that plus, okay, uh, that's minus 3 minus 18. So that answer 5, 2 to 5 plus 90. Okay, that 9, that minus 18 minus 9. Minus 9 plus 9. So answer 2 to 5 addition 90 addition 9. So that B1 come 324 5. Okay. So that curve rotated x-axis volume. Okay. So I think you can understanding. So we are going to erase that. Right. That no need that. Now. So that inside cone, that cone R 6. So that height H, that 15, magnitude of that 18. So that cone volume V2 1 over 3 pi R squared H. So pi over 3 times the radius 36 times height 18. Okay, that height 18. So that 3 times 6. So V2 come 36 times 6. 216.5. Right. So now we are going to erase this. So V1 324.5. We know actually this finite region means that subtraction V come V2 minus V1. So 324 pi minus 216 pi. So 324 minus 216. So that's 108 pi. That's the answer. It's a very good sum. I think you can understand in this proper way. Please, you look more times and you try more past papers. That's a very interesting. I think only integration small part and your general knowledge that phone and understanding that how to do this. Okay, so I think uh, that's support P4, Edexcel and Cambridge and further maths also. Okay. Thanks so much watch my video. This actually my new channel, Maths Expert Hema. Okay. Now this new channel, please subscribe when I whole syllabus Edexcel Cambridge and further maths and local syllabus, English medium and single medium. Also, I think you understand single medium for person also local syllabus. Uh, Very important. In future, all this video uploaded past papers, right? My new channel, Maths Expert Hema, right? If you need to classes, please contact not 71 in 8 double not on 9 also individual. Not 7 8 double not 5 double 7 2. Anyway, that mathematics, of all syllabus like Edexcel and Cambridge, actually that is P1, P2, and S1 and M1, and A-level is a P3, P4, and that M2 also, and local syllabus combined maths and GCSE or IGSE. All IGSE. Now, yesterday I think result released. My students got all our A's, A and A stars. I so happy. Thank you so much. Watch my video. Meet again. Please watch. Very important. Subscribe my channel. Thanks so much. Watch my video.